this is the peace that you want.
Hey, where have you been?
I went to court.
Mom, why are you crying?
Well, it's because Daddy has divorced Mommy.
What is divorce, Mom?
When you grow up, you will know what divorce is.
I want to know it now, so I will know why you're crying.
Don't worry. You will know when you grow up.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Don't worry. Alright?
Hey, you don't even care. What is what you want to? Chai, ayaki choro. You have been advised, but you no agree. You refuse to see. Say, now trouble you they find oh. Very soon you go get them double. Okwaru poko Auntie Chiria, your blood in the hot like fire. Your temper the hot, you know the tire. You they feel like lion. Hey, your heart strong like iron. No forget to say, Iye doko gadoi. Within hot, must hold.
Ken, how could you? Tell me, how could you? After all the pleadings from friends and families, you went ahead to divorce her. Why did you do that?
That is what I always wanted. At least I have peace in my heart now, knowing fully well that I'm fighting this fight alone.
Have you considered the psychological effects on your son?
I can take care of my son.
Ken, it's not as easy as you thought. Another woman can ruin the happiness of that little boy. Think about it.
Luchy, like I said, I can handle it. Okay? Do not worry yourself about that.
You they run kitty kitty, they run kata kata, they jump up and down like a mother. They look for trouble.
What is he doing here? I'll give you 2 hours to leave this house. Do you understand?
Yes.
Dad, what is divorce?
Divorce is what you give to stubborn women.
Why would you give it to Mommy to make her cry?
When you grow up, God will never allow you to get the woman that will make you go for divorce.
I'm not happy.
Be happy, my boy. Be happy, okay?
Ken, are you happy? Are you really happy deep inside?
Can't you see it? Peace. I have peace in my heart. Yeah. I'll be downstairs. Be fast so I can come and reset this room.
Yes, please. Can you send 2 new boys to me?
Mom, I said I'm not happy.
Don't worry, my baby. You will be happy soon. First up, let's go. Quickly.
You they run kitty kitty, they run kata kata, they jump up and down like a mother. They look for trouble.
We are leaving. I hope you get the peace that you seek.
I don't understand. We? What do you mean by we? Where are you going to with my son?
I'm lost. Who wants to know where I am going with my son?
Listen, you can go to anywhere you want to go to, but you're not going with my son. I can take care of him. Okay?
Look, please, do not add to my stress. I am leaving with my son.
You are not going anywhere with my son.
This is funny. What makes you think I'm going to leave my son for you?
Han, I do not want to lay my hands on you. Do you understand? Kelechi, go back upstairs.
Listen. I do not want problems. I don't even have the energy for it. Don't stress me. I don't want to talk. But since you want to make me talk, I would make it very clear to you that the only man who can stop me from going wherever I want with my son is his father.
And what does that mean?
Think, Ken. Think. Let's go.
Where do you think you're going and what does that mean?
It's simple. You are not the father of my son.
Don't even go there. Don't even talk that rubbish again. Don't even use that stunt on me, okay? Because it will not work.
Take a proper look at this boy. I mean, look closely at this handsome young man here. Does he in any way look like you? He's fair, you are dark. Does his eyes look like yours?
Anne, if you continue with this drama, you might not like the outcome. Do you understand? Don't even start. Don't even go there. You know what? You're not going anywhere with my son.
Are you deaf?
Go back.
Are you deaf? I said he is not your son.
You're joking, right? Kelechi.
Listen,
Oh, yeah.
I'm not going to take any harassment from you. I have had enough of it. Don't try it again.
I don't want to rough handle you. Don't even.
Boys?
Don't try it.
Boys?
Go back. Go back. You don't. Stay aside.
Put him in the right place. If he misbehaves, you know what to do.
Hey, hey.
You know they fear.
Hey,
You don't even care.
Oh, please, back down now. You
Know
don't
is
know who I
what
am.
you want to.
Hey,
I keep
bring.
You have been advised, but you no agree. You refuse to see. Say, now trouble you they find oh. Very soon you go get them double oh oh oh. Okwaru poko oh. Auntie Chirio,
Papa, I am done. Emechigum, I am done. You can imagine what happened.
You are done. Calm down. What is the problem?
Anne wants to kill me.
I thought after the divorce, she was asked to pack out of your house.
Papa, she left with my son. Yes.
But the court granted her the custody of the boy pending when he will be of age.
Papa, you don't understand. You don't understand. She said she's not bringing that boy back to me.
Look, what do you want me to do? Huh? I earlier told you that I don't want to be part of the outcome of this divorce. I don't want to be part of it.
Papa, the worst part of this whole story is that she said Kele is not my son.
What? You mean Aunt said Kele is not your son?
Yes! Yes! Papa, I am not going to let her take away my son with lies. I'm not going to allow that happen.
It's alright, so what do you want me to do?
Papa, I want us to go to her house now and talk to her father. I want us to go and see her father.
It's alright. I'll go and see him tomorrow so I can talk.
Papa, no, now. I want us to go now. Now.
That is not possible. Why the rush? I will go tomorrow and talk to him.
Papa goes ready more. I want us to go now. I can't allow her to take away my son from me.
I can't go now. Tomorrow I will go.
Your body they hot like fire. You temper the hot, you know they tire. You they feel like lion. Hey, your heart strong like iron. No forget to say, Iye joko gajoli. Waiting hot, must go down. You they run kitty kitty, they run kata kata. They jump up and down like a mother. They look for trouble, oh. Try, they make it trouble, oh. Onye soguo, or chokuo, very soon, oh. He gave up as you go round.
Papa, good day. Papa, Anne is looking for my trouble. Anne left with my son. You can imagine, Anne told me that Kelechi is not my son. For that, she called some hoodlums to beat me up and she left with my son.
Hello, Honorable. How are you? Yes, I called you earlier. How was your trip? Of course. If you want me to do it for you, it's a matter of appending a signature on the right space. Yes. All right. Huh? I will see you.
Papa, I was telling you that Anne beat me up with some hoodlums and left with my son.
Honey, what's going on here? I heard you talking. Who were you talking to?
Oh, I was talking with Honorable Dinka.
Oh, I see. I hope he's fine.
He's fine.
Okay.
He's doing well.
I've finished preparing your food.
Ah.
Do we go inside or you want me to bring it here?
I think I would rather go inside and eat my food.
Let's go.
Hey! Papa, I am talking to you. Okay, this is family conspiracy. Eh, you people are conspiring against me, huh? Okay, don't worry. No, don't worry. I am coming back here with war, serious war. Watch and see. Hey, Yeah.
Kenny, what is it again now?
Papa, you can't imagine what happened. I went to see that man and that man ignored me. He didn't even look at my face at all.
But did I ask you to go and discuss with him? Huh? You came here ranting. I calmed you down and I said, give me time. Tomorrow I will go and talk with him. Huh? You went yourself and look at what you've seen. Huh? I'm sure you shouted at him. That's why he ignored
Papa,
you.
I have every right to shout at him. How can she just wake up one morning and tell me that Kelechi is not my son? For what? A child that I raised with my flesh and blood is not my son anymore. Are they possible?
Kenny, if you continue to shout like this, you will ruin things for yourself. Oh.
Papa, Chidugudi, I'm wondering why you don't want to go. Why?
Look, did somebody die?
Papa, nobody died. But I am dying inside. You don't even have the idea of what is about to happen.
Look, since nobody is dead, nothing has spoiled. Just calm down. Tomorrow I'll go and discuss with my in-laws.
Papa,
okay?
Papa, you don't understand.
Calm down, oh. I'm advising you. Oh. Okay.
And my daughter, I know you have passed through tough times these few weeks, but I really want you to tell us the truth.
What truth, Dad?
Ken was here, and he said you told him that Kelechi is not his son. I know you might have said that in anger, but I still want you to tell us the truth.
Daddy, I'm sorry. This might bring disgrace to this family. Kelechi is not his son.
What did you just say? Anne, did you sleep with another man to have Kelechi?
Mommy, please. Don't get upset with me. Ken has some testicular malfunctions, which he has been trying to correct with surgery over the years.
That is not an answer to my question. Did you sleep with another man to have Kelechi, your son? She doesn't want to answer me.
Let me take it that you don't want to tell us the truth.
We can go for paternity test if he wants. Kelechi is not his son.
Is he aware that you slept with another man to give him a son?
No.
Hi.
But things had gone out of hands already for him then. What? What is this?
Madam, what it means that your husband will remain impotent for the rest of his life. Unless miracle do otherwise.
Oh my God. Doctor, please, is there nothing we could do? I mean, an IVF.
No, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Doctor, please. You have to help me. This marriage is just 3 weeks. 3 weeks old. Please, help me.
Madam, I wish there is something I can do to help this situation. But I can't.
Maybe I shouldn't have signed the consent form if I had known it would get to this. I shouldn't have signed it.
No. That will worsen the case. His bladders would have been damaged by now.
Oh my God.
Just put yourself together.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is too early for me. This is too much for me to undo. Why did you have to let this happen to me? Why? This is a big burden on my shoulder.
Anne, what is it? Why are you crying? Where's my brother? How was the surgery?
The brother is fine. The surgery was successful.
But you're crying. Why are you crying?
It's just tears of anxiety and joy. I've been nervous, so I decided to let it out so I can feel free.
And you are a strong woman. We love you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, can I go and see my brother now? Okay. Thank you.
Can I talk to you, doctor?
Sure, you can.
Doctor, please, can you keep this between us? This would demoralize my husband if he hears of it. Please.
How do you intend to keep it?
Let me handle it.
I think there are needs for you to let him know about it. At least he will try religious measures.
Please, for the sake of his mental health, do not let any other person hear of this. Please.
If that is what you want, fine.
Thank you.
But, madam, this is not the end of the world. You have options in case you change your mind about telling him. You can go for adoption.
Thank you, doctor. I told the doctor not to tell him. Because I believed he would find healing from God.
So the upshot of this story is the confirmation that you really slept with another man.
You cannot open your mouth to say it. There are certain things you don't say with your mouth. You mean you slept with another man and you had the guts to tell your husband to his face that that son is not his?
There is another side of this story. I mean, I have my own story too.
And what about the shame? I'm disappointed at you.
I have made my act of contribution.
I'm disappointed at you.
Mom, I have something.
You have nothing to say. Keep it to yourself. Did you hear me? Keep that thing to yourself. Bury it there.
There's so much going on around me. There's so much happening around me. There's so much confusion, so much commotion that could lead to destruction. Yeah, I did not ask for this war. No, no, no.
I think I was so fast and blunt. I shouldn't have said a word to them. That would have left them defending me when the matter arises.
My daughter. How are you?
Good afternoon, Papa.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
I was actually going to your father's house. What is this bad news that Ken brought to my house? I was thinking your marriage with him was as sweet as honey. What's going on?
Papa, please, can we go home and talk? You can still go and see my father later on.
Okay, let's go. And my daughter, what is going on? Look, don't tell me that you've joined forces with Ken to make my life miserable and die before my time.
Papa, no. Don't say that, please. I'm so sorry about everything that is going on. It's Ken. Since he complained about what I did, he's been looking for every possible way to end this marriage.
I'm confused here. Tell me, aside the fact that you spent money on the land and car, is there anything that happened that I am not aware of?
Well, he's being cantankerous simply because I have issues with my womb.
Now, you are getting me more confused. What do you mean by you have issues with your womb?
Papa, I lost my womb during the birth of my son.
What?
I had complications.
Why am I not being told about all this? Why is everyone keeping me quiet about things that are happening in your marriage?
Well, that's because Ken and I decided not to tell any of our relatives.
Oh my God.
If I was complete, Ken wouldn't have gone for a divorce.
Look, I never knew Ken was serious about this divorce thing. You mean Ken was doing all this because of your medical condition?
Well, I am not even angry with him. I'll find my grounds again. It will only take a matter of time. I'll be fine.
So, what do you think?
I know my daughter is saying the truth. Yes. She's a honest person. And you know that she does not talk too much.
Whether she's saying the truth or not, that does not stop her action or being disgusting and sinful. Do you know what it means to give a man a child that does not belong to him?
That is terrible. Very terrible. So what do we do about it?
There's nothing to do about it. Oh. The deed has been done. She has already put all of us to shame. Not only that, my good name and reputation in this village has been rubbed to the mud. Before noon tomorrow, the news will be everywhere. And the daughter of Sir Daddy Amandibugo left her wedded husband to the father of her child. What a capture.
The most important thing is that I do not want the trouble of Ken and his family. Honestly, I don't know. Now that we have retired, I want us to be living in peace, please.
The real trouble will come when the real father of her child come. That's when you will see the real trouble.
Yay!
Oh.
He came here. He told me that you said Kele is not his son. I was just wondering. My daughter, I need you to tell me the truth. Is he the father of Kele? Did you tell him out of anger or you actually told him the truth?
Well, I spoke out of anger.
I knew it.
But Kelechi is not his son. A lot has happened in this marriage that we concealed. I have done everything possible to make this marriage work. I've sacrificed everything, including my mental health. Everything.
Look, at this point, you need to tell me everything. I mean everything that I need to know.
Papa, you remember Ken had a surgery immediately after our wedding?
Yes, I remember. The one I asked you to sign the consent form, right?
Exactly. Well, Ken has not been potent since then.
What did you just say?
I said, Ken has been impotent since after his second surgery. And he's not even aware of it.
So why didn't you tell him?
Because I didn't want him to feel less of a man. Because I wanted to give him a child of his own. I cheated on Ken because I did not want to close the lineage of this family.
It's alright. It's okay. It's okay.
I am going to deal with her. Do you understand? I am going to deal with her that her family will not recognize again. I'm going to fight with the last drop of my blood.
Fighter. Oh, you're a jet fighter. I guess you're enjoying the whole drama. Are you enjoying the shameless drama of yours? I expect you to calm down and think of a way forward other than blowing things out of proportion.
There is no way forward, and there is not going to be any way forward till she brings back my child.
She has shown you proof. You have seen the results of the paternity tests. And you have also had the voice, the confidence in a voice, haven't you? Why haven't you thought about it? You should think about it. I mean, why not look for a way to source for the way out and get the originality of this paternity test?
If she's saying the truth, then why is she hiding? Why can't she come out and face me? There is nothing anyone is going to tell me that will make me change my mind. Nothing. Because I'm going to deal with her.
It's obvious you don't want to listen. Since you don't want to listen to me, I have to go. Have a nice day.
Your body they hot like fire, like fire. Your temper they hot, you know they tire. You know they tire. You they feel like lion, lion. Agu. Your heart strong like iron. No forget to say, no forget you. Iye doko kajoli. Waiting hot, to cool down, no. Iye doko.
Kekunu, my brother. How are you and the children? Exactly. No, the village is good. I'm enjoying myself in the village. No, but you know how many years I've stayed in the town? And I go over 35 years. So about the mom. Yes. Okay, umecha ka yakuwa bika on one for my bata. Yeah, somebody is coming into my compound. I will talk to you later. Order. All right.
Welcome. Darling.
No.
Yeah.
Hey. Wait till. But how's everything?
Yeah, we're fine. Everything's fine. Good.
Come this side.
No, let me carry it.
Okay. Please sit.
What of my in-law?
Everybody is fine. Everyone is fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
One more thing. Let me get you a cola.
No. Sit down. Please, sit down. The cola can wait for another day.
Wait, you mean you don't need cola?
My in-law, that thing that pursued the frog out of the hole is bigger than the frog. Cola can wait. I will take next time.
The antelope has jumped a ditch and landed in a trap.
There is another story before the misfortune of the antelope. There was indeed a hunter after its life.
Children of nowadays need to go out there and hear our story, how we started this journey with endurance.
My son is the architect of his own calamity. There is a saying that a man should not wash his dirty linen in a place where friends and foes can see him.
You are talking about your son. I also blame my daughter for not telling her husband about the surgery. At least the both of them would have put their heads together and adopt a child.
Mba. Your daughter understands my son very well. My son wouldn't have survived it if she had told him about it. And saved my son by not telling him.
Hi. I don't even know how I feel.
I think what we need to do now is to ensure that there is dialogue. We need to call two of them to order. We need to sit them down and explain to them the implication of what they are about to do. That little boy does not need this from them. He doesn't need this at all.
You are right. But I don't think your son will be ready for dialogue. Yes, you need to see him the other day. You need to see the rage in his eyes when he came to my house. I am telling you, he was raving and furious. So my in-law, I don't think your son will be ready for any form of what? Dialogue.
So I will talk to him. I will talk to him.
It's okay.
I have to go now.
Just like that. You did not accept cola. I even have a good palm wine there. But you refuse all of this, so no problem. Go well.
Thank you. I will accept the cola next time.
Okay.
Thank you. Darling.
Okay. Hi, it's Yogo. See you some other time.
It's okay.
Yes.
Greet my in-law for me.
Okay. The son the other day was so furious. In fact,
don't need your heart. Just go in there and tell Aunt to bring out my son.
What are you talking about?
You better don't be silly right now, okay? Just go in there and tell Aunt to bring my son for me now.
What did you just call me? Did you just call me silly? Hey, you think I am your wife who you insult anytime you like?
I don't care to know what you think or not. Just go in there. Ask Aunt to give me my son.
Ah, please, oh. Does this place look like her father's house? Is it that you don't remember where you paid her bride price?
I don't want to be harsh on you. Just go in there and do what I asked you to do now.
Go and pick up your son where you left him. Nobody's here. Where do you think you're going?
You want me to push you, right?
In my own house. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? What do you think you're doing? What is the meaning of all this?
And I know you are in here. Come out now and get my son.
Oh, you think you can invade my house and you don't pay my rent?
Come out now and bring my son so I'll go in peace unless you want war.
Enough of all this nonsense. Please leave my house
Hey,
now.
my friend, shut up! You have my son and my wife hiding in your house. And you're asking me to get out of your dirty house.
Dirty
Are you
house?
mad? Are you not?
Dirty house? You come into my house and call it there. Get out of my house. I've endured you long enough. Get out!
If I slap you now, if I slap you, you will have mouth to talk again.
Get out before I lose it. Get out.
If you lose it, I'm going to tight it for you.
Oh.
I can see that you're losing one knot from your head.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going to? Even the police does not have any right to search my house like this. What kind of nonsense is this one now? What is it? Is it because I'm quiet?
I don't want to rough handle you because you won't like it. What I'll do to you won't like it. I don't
do what? Do what? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? You think I'm your wife?
Leave the way.
Leave what way? In my house? Leave what way?
Leave the way.
Leave what way? You think I'm scared of you?
Okay, maybe you don't.
Leave what way?
Maybe you don't hear English. Et non voila.
See what? This stupid man! Useless man! Rubbish! Madman! You think you can come into my house, robber me, do whatever you like, right? Useless man! I will be the one to cure your madness. Just wait and see.
I don't have your time yet.
After today, you will learn to respect women. You think I'm your wife? Rubbish man. It's yours.
One.
You will stay there, oh. You will stay there. You will stay in there for 3 days before I will open this door. You've not seen anything yet. Sure you want to enter my house? Stay there. Landlord.
Juan, I am going to break down this door now.
What are you waiting for? Break it and break everything. If you will not see yourself inside the police cell.
Juan, I am going to break every single thing in your house now if you don't open this door.
Break what? Power Mike. Break what? Break it all now. What are you still waiting for? Break everything. If I will not arrest you for burglary.
Juan, you're daring me.
Useless man. Did you not see Anne inside? Rubbish. You think I am Anne? Stupid idiot.
What is this? This girl is me, no. Juan! Juan! She's gone. Guy, pick your call now. Pick your call. Buchi? Hello, Buchi? Yes, it's me. Buchi, can you imagine? Juan locked me up in her house
because I came to look for my son and my wife. She has the guts to lock me up in her house. She wasn't even saying that I'm not going to leave this house till the next 3 days. She left. Luchy, why I called you is, please, if you know who Juan is, call her and tell her that I'm going to burn down this house if she do not come to open this door now. Call her now and talk to her.
Obidogo, Mr. Stubborn, Chai, you have ears but refuse to hear. You know the fear, hey, you don't even care. What is what you want to? Chai, ayaki choro.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, Ken. Can you hear me? Oh, all right. I have spoken with our in-laws, and we came to the conclusion that at this point we should let peace reign. Yes.
That one a story. Papa, I've not even started. She's asking for peace. By the time I finish dealing with her, she will not see the mouth to ask for peace. The only thing I want now is for her to release my son. She wants peace. If I do not get my son from her, we will both go down. Bet me.
Look, Ken, don't shout at me when you are talking to me. I'm your father. What is wrong with you? Eh? How dare you talk back at me? Meanwhile, you are saying nonsense. No meaning to all the things you're saying. Hello? Hello? Can you imagine? He called the call on me. Hi. Why are you shouting me for? Is it okay? Eh? I was talking to him. He was just speaking nonsense. At the end of the day, he called the call on me. What? Anyway, let me not say anything until I see him face to face. Come and sit down.
Is there any problem?
Nothing serious.
Nothing serious. Ken was in my house this morning. He said I should tell his wife and their family that he should return his son. I was confused. Is there any problem?
But I just told you that there is nothing serious. You know, there's really no problem as such. Okay?
He didn't tell you anything.
But I just told you that he was speaking rubbish, shouting at me. He didn't tell me anything. Or did he tell you anything?
Nothing actually, but you only insisted that the wife should return his son. And that brings me to my question. Is Ken and the wife, are they still living together?
Am I not here with you? Huh? Okay, by the way, why do you want to know if they are still living together?
Whatever affect the eye also affect the nose. So that's why I'm saying that if they are having any problem, so that we join hands together to resolve it.
It's all right. Like I told you, there is no problem that I am aware of. Except you are aware of anyone there, you can say it.
No, it's all right. So that's why I said, let me just come and see you.
Oh,
I'll be on my way now.
It's all right. Huh? All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Greet your wife and children. No? Okay. Idiot. You are here. You want to tear other people's family apart. Meanwhile, your son beats his wife every day. Putting your mouth things that do not concern you. Idiot. And no fear. I don't blame you. It's Ken I blame.
John, please go open the door. Let's avoid this trouble coming from all angles, please.
I will not open that door for him today. He must sleep there.
What if you destroy your electronics and set your house on fire?
Then the fire will roast him.
What is wrong with everybody? Juan, please avoid this temptation. I beg of you.
Do you even know how that beast harassed me in my own house? I don't even want to talk about it. See, he will sleep there. In fact, he must sleep there. Then he will learn to respect women when I open the door for him tomorrow.
I think you're getting me angry right now. Yes.
If you don't want me to sleep in your house, just say so. In fact, let me go and look for a hotel to lodge for the night.
Juan, what is wrong with you? Very well then.
Officer, look at them. Look at the parents of the kidnappers. Look at them. Go ahead and do your work.
Stand up, you're under arrest.
Ken,
Okay.
if you're a man enough, why did you not go for paternity test?
Officer, why don't you go ahead and arrest these people? Do your work, please.
Stand up.
For
Kidnapping.
kidnapping who?
Meat or cow? Kidnap
Stand
what?
up, stand
What
up.
are you saying?
Stand up, let's go.
No, kidnapping who? For God's sake.
Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up.
Officer,
Stand up.
Don't touch me like
Stand
that.
up. I tell you to stand up.
Madam,
Officer,
move.
do your work.
Madam, move.
Arrest these people.
Move. Move.
Stand up.
I think you know who you are pushing.
Move.
Don't push him.
I'll push
What's
you.
wrong with you?
Move. Move.
Move.
Move.
Don't push him. He's moving.
Madam, move.
Move.
You don't need to push him. He's moving.
Move.
Keep going.
You don't like this, your uniform.
Move.
Move, my friend.
Mr. Stubborn Child, you have ears